In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up projects in CapCut PC. If you want to protect your timeline edits, cuts, text layouts, and all the work you've already put into a project, this is one of the easiest things you can do. Backing up your CapCut project helps you stay covered if your computer crashes, if something gets deleted by mistake, or if you need to continue editing on another device later. The good news is that CapCut gives you both a cloud backup option and a local autosave safety net, and setting them up only takes a moment. To begin, open CapCut on your PC and stay on the main startup homepage. From here, look for your project thumbnail card on the dashboard. Once you find the project you want to protect, move your cursor to the lower corner of that project card and click the small three-dot icon. This opens the Management Options menu for that specific project, which is where CapCut keeps several important controls. In the menu that appears, click on Backup. CapCut will then open its Cloud Workspace panel. This is where you can enable remote backup tracking for the project. Make sure the backup option is turned on, and then select your CapCut Space folder as the backup destination. Choosing this storage location tells CapCut where your project backup should be saved in the cloud. Once this is enabled, your edit file uploads can be backed up automatically, which gives you an extra layer of protection beyond what's stored on your computer. After that, it's a good idea to confirm that your local recovery option is also active. Go to the top right corner of the main homepage and click the gear icon, then choose Settings. When the Settings window opens, click on the folder tab labeled Project. In this section, you'll see the autosave setting. CapCut usually has this turned on by default, and that's exactly what you want. Autosave continuously stores recovery data in the background while you edit, which means your timeline progress is being cached locally as you work. Using both of these options together is the safest approach. The cloud backup helps protect your project remotely, while autosave gives you a local fallback in case something unexpected happens during editing. So with your homepage project options checked, your CapCut Space backup path selected, and your local autosave setting verified, your project is now much more secure. That's it. Your CapCut PC backup setup is complete, and you're all set to edit with a lot more peace of mind.